Now, you said in that previous answer that you think the vaccines are safe. Well, there's two things wrong with that statement, Mr. Mayor. There's three vaccines what we are being called vaccines that are being used. Two of those are not vaccines in the sense that most people would understand vaccines. They are experimental mRNA gene technologies that have never been used before on human beings. And we do not know anything about their long-term safety. So how could you say that you know about the safety, particularly for pregnant women and their children and women of childbearing age, when we don't actually know what the effects on those groups of people will be in the long term?
Well, you're wrong. And it's very important I say quite clearly for those watching this that Senator David Kirchin is wrong. And let me explain to him why he is wrong. The Independent Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA, is the UK's regulation body and is globally recognised for requiring the highest standards of safety, quality and effectiveness of any vaccine. They have approved all three vaccines, and to get their approval, the vaccine development teams have to share all the data they have, which can be tens of thousands of pages of information. There is no way they can hide anything. There are some groups where the regulators have advised against them receiving the vaccine, for example, those who have allergies. And it's really important, if anybody's concerned, they ask questions of experts rather than scaremongers, COVID deniers, and anti-vaxxers.
Okay, well, Mr. Mayor, you can say that I'm wrong, but actually I'm right, because there have been no long-term studies or studies on the long-term effects of these three injections which are being given to people, because they haven't existed for more than a few months. So there's absolutely no way that we can know the long-term effects over 5 or 10 years.